Subtraction Polynomials by John Hardy. Next slide. Alright, today we're going to work on problem number 2. So this problem right here, I'll read it off to you. You have to write down, it's 7y squared, if you can see the pointer, plus 2y plus 21, take away 9y squared plus 6y plus 11. And I'll show you how to do it on the next slide. Okay, so this is the answer that we put down. So you see right here, this subtraction sign, we're going to have to change that to a positive sign. And once you change that to a positive sign, anything behind this area that you see where I'm circling around with this laser, this 9 will turn into a negative 9y squared. Then this plus is going to change into a negative sign, so it's going to be negative 6y, and then this plus sign is going to change into a negative, so it's going to be a negative 11. So that is what this would say. And on to the next slide. Alright, see this problem that I did right here? It's the same thing as what I said on the other side. After the subtraction sign, you do the opposite signs after it, like you can see here. Alright, see the problem that we just didn't do it. There's nothing to it so far. Everything, see right here, that we changed so far, that's on the screen. Now we're looking at adding the like terms you see. And right here is a wide square, and if you look over here, there's another y square. So you want to add these both together terms. That's why there's 2 underlined, to show you that these are 2 of the same like terms that you want to add. And also right here and here. And then even though this doesn't have any type of y or anything, this can also go with this. But this couldn't go with this because they're not like terms. It has to have something like a y with a y, or see a wide square with a wide square, or else it won't come out right. On to the next slide. So once you write that down, you want to put it in this order so you can, solve the problem. So 7y squared would be taken away from a 9y squared. So you put down that answer here, and then you want to look at this 2y, take away 6y, and then you want 21, take away 11. And I got a question for you. Do you know the answer? Next slide. Now, if you did it right, this would be your answer right here. You would have a negative 2x squared take away 4x plus 10. So that's your answer right here, if you can see. And if you did it right, this may happen right here, if you can see. Alrighty, next slide. Okay, so that is the problem of subtracting polynomials, and I hope you learned a lot. And yes, I love math. Alright, hope you learned a lot, and see you later, guys.